Hi guys, welcome back to the CEN YouTube channel. Today's install is on this Mini Cooper F56 model. Customer has travelled from Wales. He stayed over in a hotel last night, so he could be with us early this morning. This vehicle will be having a full Audison setup, so that includes front speakers, the underseat woofers, rear speakers, Amplifier DSP and Subwoofer. So guys, Jason is just making the final few adjustments to the DSP in the car behind me. Night and day difference from when the vehicle came into us originally to now leaving. If you've got a BMW or Mini that you're looking to upgrade, feel free to drop us a message or an email. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.